Hey guys, this is Rob Harrell from MarineMax in Charleston. Today we're bringing you a Scout 215 XSF 2021 in crystal blue, ridiculously clean, with a trailer. This boat is powered by a Yamaha 150 with digital shifting. Let's get on the boat and check it out. This boat is equipped with a freshwater washdown. You're going to have 10 gallons. Your fill's going to be here. As you can see, we also have a walk-through transom that you can shut the door behind. Your aft seating for fishing stores away very easily. You have 4 rod holders back here, 2 cup holders as well. They're all going to be plumb, so they will not hold water. You have easy access to your bilge. You have a cooler storage here, 3 cup holders and rod storage on the back of your seat. As you can see, your seats also have flipped up bolsters, which allows you to stand while you're driving the boat, makes it way comfortable. The helm, this boat is equipped with a 9-inch Garmin, which will do everything you need it to do. We also have Yamaha gauges, which will track your hours, your RPMs. This boat is also equipped with Lenco trim tab system as well, with LED indicators to show you where your trim tabs are set. Your Fusion stereo with upgraded JL audio speakers. We also have room for a port ahead, and you can see I'm 6 foot tall and I can get in here pretty well. Plenty of room. And as you come up in the front, we have a huge chase lounge that is also a fish box and insulated as well, and drains. You have forward seating backrests that come in and out. You also have coolers under here, your anchor storage locker with 2 cup holders in the bow as well. Hey guys, thank you for coming on board with me today on this 2021 Scout 215 XSF. You can have this boat. If you would like to come see this boat, please check us out at MarineMax.com Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889, and do not forget, this boat comes with a trailer as well. See you soon.